मैं ऐसा होता हूँ कि मेरी वजह से किसी को तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो as an artist, मेरी वजह से if people start judging me, oh my god, I overthink a lot. Like I'll tell you, there was a party where I was standing behind my back, like back to back. ऐसे मैं ऐसा हूँ खड़ा हूँ और मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ. I could literally hear them talk. It was Rajkumar Hirani sir. Obviously big fan and all.
Yeah.
एक घंटा मैं खड़ा था वहाँ पर, but I didn't have the guts to turn around and say and introduce myself and all. He was talking to Nawazuddin. So yeah, I was like, it needs a lot of confidence. तो ये मुझ में नहीं. So I would say कि OTT space has been a blessing. It has come as a bridge between the films and television.
Some particular actor whose journey you've seen and you feel not envious in a bad way, but you feel like, oh, this is great job, great work, and a great arc that they've covered.
A guy like Kartik Aaryan, I mean, full respect, and whatever he's achieved and all, it's great, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
And however he's achieved, it takes a lot of brain work, hard work, talent, and plus you need to be like, reaching out to people, and obviously destiny is playing a part.
Yeah.
That is also important. मैंने किसी से सुना था, and a big film producer, कि it's always good to do a good TV show rather than a bad film. मेरे साथ तो इनफैक्ट मैंने जो चाहे वो कभी नहीं हुआ है, और जो भी हुआ है वो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था
कितना हो जाए.
हाँ, वो ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, मैंने तो ये सोचा भी नहीं था. Like CID is a show on television I never thought I could do. There was a scene where there sir is standing and I'm like sitting, and this whole scene going on, and I'm like, yaar, can I make him sit? Because I don't like it. And then the director was like, नहीं, आप पार बोल रहे हैं ना, पार ACP हो आप, ACP आपका रिलेशन उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं है. I barely have actor friends because of the kind of competition and insecurity that every actor has, and because and I would say all the actors, they are actors.
Yeah.
So they are weird. Everyone is weird.
All
Every
actors
actor is weird. I would say that. And if they say that we are not, then they're lying.
Hi everyone, this is Hesha Chimah, and you guys are tuned on to Varinder Chawla's page. Joining me for a conversation today is a man out here who definitely seems to be
Hi, hello.
very excited before I give my introduction to him. So Parth, thank you so much for
thank
chatting.
you so much.
How have you been?
Good. How have you been?
I've been great too. I'm so happy we are talking after a very long time.
Yeah, long time. I remember last time we had met in the gym.
या जिम में पहले में थे, फिर उसके बाद उसके 2 दिन बाद हमने इंटरव्यू किया था, फिर हमारे इंटरव्यू में कॉफी गिर गई थी, मुझे सब याद है. अब आज नहीं गिरेगी. आज नहीं गिरेगी. Like, do you remember the table? Like, it fell and it was crazy.
I know,
and he kept cutting and but today we're in a good space.
Okay,
coffee is far away from me, तो नहीं गिरने वाली है आज. But
Better.
speaking of coffee and speaking of things spilling here and there, spill some tea on what's happening with CID right now. So much going on.
Yeah, so much going on, and I was working. I was like, to be honest, I could not reveal the exact duration of my show, like my work, my character. But now I can say that I was called up for like minimum 4 to 5 episodes. That's it. And I was like, I'll give it a shot. CID always obviously been an iconic show.
हम सब ने बचपन से
Yeah,
देखा है वो show.
So I thought, let's give it a shot. And then 5-6 episodes happened. And then later on, they're like, now we need for 2 months more. We need to extend it. And I could not put it out there on media because obviously it kills the vibe of the show. Because if agar aap aaye ho abhi and then people ask you, oh, you're leaving already. That doesn't, the fun is being killed over there.
Yeah.
So I thought, let's work for 2 months. Let's see how it goes. And thoroughly I've enjoyed a lot. And now I'm about to exit is what I can say.
Okay. तो ये पहले से ही plans.
Yeah.
दोनों भी लगा बिजनेस है कि आप बात नहीं करते.
Yeah. Because to be honest, I had made my plans that television is something I wanted to take a break from.
Yeah.
And web series or films that I wanted to work on. So yeah, I have a web series coming up in the month of July. So I need to start preparing for that. I have a film, a small film, but a very interesting film. So I need to work on that. So yeah, there are a couple of projects happening here and there. I'm not saying I'm completely taking break again from television, but yes, if there is a good opportunity, like a limited series, I would be glad to do it.
So I think ये तो perfect fit हो गया था.
Correct.
Because CID was just like a limited
Absolutely.
series. And I think through my conversations over the years with TV actors, I understood कि जब वो transition कर रहे होते हैं, let's say TV छोड़ के OTT में जा रहे होते हैं या even films जा रहे होते हैं, they do have a mindset that they're okay doing television provided it's a limited series. Right? Is there a specific thought process क्यों ऐसा होता है?
Commitment. Because television requires a huge commitment, like 2 years, 3 years and all. And what happens is they see the TRPs.
Yeah.
And if at all, obviously mostly works on the leads, like the leads of the show, ke unke upar hi number. So apparently the writer starts writing the story accordingly to the leads. And then the leads can't move then. If they are moved, then suddenly people stop watching it. So they can't take that risk. So basically you're stuck to the show and you are actually carrying the responsibility of 150 people. So yeah, that burden, I mean, it's not a burden, but it's a responsibility. So you can't just say कि okay नहीं अभी बस हो गया मैंने 3 साल कर लिया और अब मुझे छोड़ना है अब मुझे फिल्म्स में जाना है. So वो शो के लिए एक रिस्क है.
But
So unless and until you're prepared for it, then only.
But you lead actor का जब वो कीड़ा काट जाता है एक बार, then so it's bitten, ना? Then you know that this is it. Okay, I'm asking you where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
You've done a lead show. You've been the lead. You spearheaded it. The money is great. Visibility is great. And आज let's just admit it कि TV actors की reach बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Correct.
And we started also addressing and talking about
Absolutely.
it. कि है भाई हमारी reach इतनी.
आज नहीं बहुत पहले से ही है 20 साल से.
I'm just saying आज we started talking about it enough. Like earlier there used to be like this mad disparity कि like oh you're a TV actor, OTT was in buckets. Now I think it's a little bit getting better.
Correct.
Like, where's your thought process on that, and how's your journey sort of been impactful towards these changes that are happening?
So I would say that OTT space has been a blessing. It has come as a bridge between the films and television. So somehow there was a, like you said, TV actors are like this and films are like this. Now the distance has been shortened by the web series because people are working from here to web series to films to television. So it's just a circle now. So wherever opportunities arise, wherever projects are happening which are very substantial, which artist feels, you know what, this is good. I mean, and of course it doesn't come कि मतलब कि सिर्फ TV है. It comes with good money also. So there are a lot of pros and cons.
Right.
So unless and until it's not paying you, then it's not worth it. But if it has some value to it, then yes.
तो चलिए.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो फिर screen space अब कैसे divide?
Like मैंने कहीं सुना था, like if you're saying TV actors or films, मैंने किसी से सुना था, and a big film producer, कि it's always good to do a good TV show rather than a bad film.
हाँ, true.
Yeah.
Absolutely. क्योंकि वो audience भी ज़्यादा है, retention भी अच्छा है, and then you have maintained.
Like see the kind of shows that I've done, I don't think कि films की इतनी reach हुई होगी, मतलब हुई होगी. Obviously, every year we have like good, thankfully 10 hits or something. Yeah. But there are other films. There are like 100 films which are not seen or watched by, especially when OTT space wasn't there. So it just goes, matlab, you haven't even seen it, you don't even know. Yeah. But my shows, what I've done, like for example, Kaisi Yaariya or Kasauti Zindagi Ki and CID, of course. Yeah. Being a part of CID, it's as iconic as it could get. I mean, I'm truly blessed to have that. So yeah, I am happy that I'm glad and I'm part of television and I've done such good shows.
Yeah, you didn't nudge the makers of CID ki like keep me थोड़ा और ज़्यादा time के लिए, but you were comfortable.
नहीं
यार इतना बड़ा show है, हम सब बोरेंगे ना, थोड़ा greedy तो हो ही जाता है इंसान.
नहीं मैं greedy हो गया था, but मैं किसी से extend या और काम देने के लिए नहीं मांगता. I feel कि if they like my work, they will any which way extend. Like for example, उन्होंने 6 episode के लिए पूछा था, तो उनको अच्छा लगा, तो they like अभी इतना हमने किया है, इसको बुलाया है, character को हमने इसे proper build up दिया है, let's play with it. तो वो था. And it's just that unfortunate scene ऐसा है कि they have to get back ACP sir because that was also a part of the story. Yeah. Okay, it was not like कि मतलब देखते हैं, let's see with the audience TRP क्या आएगी, and then accordingly if we will think, then we'll decide whether we should get him back or not. Yeah. It was always planned. Yeah. And now
I'm glad you're addressing this because people online had different points. They were like
suddenly
part नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि TRP is
correct.
I'm glad that you're addressing it.
Yeah. And to be honest, I had no clue about this. Yeah. I don't read the reviews and all. Some journalists asked me this कि आपको लगता है आपके exit होने की वजह से क्योंकि आप TRP कमा रही. I'm like what? Yeah. ऐसा भी होता है. But then yes, like I said, it was always planned. Yeah. And they just had to change a lot of plot points and all. And I come across as an ACP. So obviously now being another ACP in the same show, obviously I have to exit, and he is the, I would say, the showrunner of the show. Yeah, literally. For sure. He's the lead of the show. Yeah.
Okay, but Parth, I have to pay you a compliment and I have to understand थोड़ा बहुत आपका psyche भी इस चीज पे. You also took on a show like Kasauti, जिसकी एक massive fan following already पहले थी. And there were these lead actors who had already sort of set like a benchmark when you came on board again, right, for the next part, whatever. Same thing happened with CID as well. Like you've been that gutsy and or like कि भाई ठीक है, होगा जो भी है, मेरे को आया है तो मैं कर लूँगा. But then you don't get hampered. You don't sort of think about the repercussions that may or may not follow. Or
not at all. Not at all. I'm in fact, I'm more intimidated on CID Because see, Kasauti happened years back, and then we are just revamping it and with new same characters, but then obviously you have new actors.
Correct.
You don't have anyone from the past.
There's no residue.
Correct. These are the iconic characters that we've seen all our lives, grown up watching them and all, and now you're standing alongside them, and you are playing their boss.
Yeah.
So that is as intimidating as it gets. And I actually told both of them, Daya sir and Abhijit sir, if you feel anywhere that you know what, ये line की जगह आप boss हो, आप ACP हो, अगर आप ऐसे ले सकते हो, please. Thankfully आज तक कुछ बोला नहीं है. So I'm hoping कि मतलब I'm right, and actually the director is there to guide me, because there was a scene where you know Daya sir is standing and I'm like sitting, and this whole scene going on, and I'm like, यार, can I make him sit? Because I don't like it. And then the director was like, नहीं, आप पार्थ बोल रहे हैं ना, पार्थ ACP हो आप, ACP, आपका रिलेशन उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, fine. But yeah, that's how it is. You have to stay very alert.
Yeah.
Because एक तो मैं ऐसा होता हूँ कि मेरी वजह से किसी को तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो as an artist, मेरी वजह से if people start judging me, oh my god, so I overthink a lot. So I make sure that I prepare myself well and I stay into that zone, and then वो जो line या जो performance हो जाता है ना हर एक के बाद, trust me, I'm like, no mistake this time, no mistake this time.
Damn.
Because if there were new actors,
yeah,
and we are doing just a show like Kasauti, then it's okay. I know them since they know me.
Correct.
Okay, we know each other since 3 days, whatever it is.
Yeah.
We are now characters. As simple as that get. But over here, it is a challenge. मतलब, you know, I don't want to मतलब think कि मतलब ये लोग ऐसे मुड़ के से दिखते हैं, अरे यार ये किसको ले लिया यार, क्यों ले लिया इसको, है ना? But on the contrary, they help me out. They're like, सर आप पहले आगे जाइए, because ACP आगे जाते थे. I'm like, okay, ठीक है.
Wow.
So because over here I'm like very much कि यार दया सर को look देना है, because I have to like be there.
Yeah, you
but
sort of not have to be part of the
but have to be. No. For example, knowing as a junior he comes and he takes the post of ACP, but I mean, of course, as Parth, we know he's Daya sir and all. So do we have to acknowledge whatever he says, or we have to just stand straight and say? Because then that will be like insult to him, है ना?
Yeah.
तो वो होता है. But directors like, नहीं, आप ACP हो. You don't give a f who's around you. You just say what you have to say.
Yeah.
Without looking at them.
So what was like your night before you gave your first shot on CID? Like, did you over prep, or like what were you? Or were you like all over the place so haphazard that you went on set and you were like, जो अब director बोलेगा मैं वही करूँगा?
नहीं, वो तो मैं हमेशा करता हूँ. जो director बोलता है, because I gave him the क्योंकि to be honest, he knows it better than us. He's been working on the show since past 5 to 7 years or 10 years for that.
Yeah.
And he knows what to expect from that character, because they have sat and they have written it together.
So you didn't have your nerves and jitters or what?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Chill.
Like, that's what I said. I was intimidated and nervous the moment I saw the entirety.
Yeah.
And I'm like, shit. If I fumble, if I fuck it up, I'm gone. They'll start judging me. So, yeah, that was my whole dilemma. कि I लाइन्स ऐसे नेचुरली लेता हूँ. ज़्यादा अगर मैंने ओवर ड्रामेटिक कर दिया तो ये लोग बोलेंगे, अरे ये तो टीवी टाइप कर रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा है, ये कर रहा है. कम दे दिया तो बोलेंगे, अरे कम एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे, तो फ्लैट बोल रहा है कुछ. सो दैट वाज माय होल दिस. बहुत सारे थॉट्स चल रहे थे, मोर देन व्हाट द डायरेक्टर सेड. बट यस, आई वाज कोऑपरेट, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज द डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर. इफ ही सेज के ऐसा ना it look good, so yeah, I do that. I don't give my this thing. What happens is director gives me the freedom. Then rehearsal में हम लोग करते हैं जैसे करना है, and then he'll see and like, Parth, इसके बता ना, ये आते टाइम ऐसे कर. Okay sir, ऐसे कर.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Now, since you mentioned you're doing a film also, you start shooting for it, or is already shot?
No, we start shooting for it in July.
How much can you talk about it at this point?
Nothing
at all. This is one of those things कि you have to keep it in your tummy and you can't share.
Yeah. Because apparently यार बहुत time लगता है यार. मतलब unfortunately couple of films जिसके लिए मैंने prep किया, and last moment पे, like for example we're shooting next month, और वो फिर 4 महीने बाद हो जाता है because of whatever reason. Because for a film to come together, there are like 100 reasons in the world that have to fall in place in one direction. Of course film तो सबको बनानी है, काम सबको चाहिए, सबका एक ही vision है, but the way of doing it challenges everyone.
Right.
So for example मुझे director को 6 महीने लगेंगे फिल्म खत्म होने, प्रोड्यूसर को 3 महीने चाहिए, फिर वही ये छोटे से छोटे टॉपिक है. मतलब द टॉपिक स्टार्ट्स बट द फाइनल गोल इज देयर. नाउ ये तो 2 लोग हैं फिल्म पे और 50 लोग हैं, 50 लोग हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर. So yeah,
Have
I
you
would
lost
say,
out on something? Like you've signed it, you know you're like all good for it, and then it did not happen for whatsoever reason.
yeah, I was signed up. I was paid the
Advance token
advance,
amount.
correct, token amount. वो क्या बोलते हैं एक
Signing amount.
signing amount, हाँ. Signing amount, I was given everything, and 10 days later they said, and I was about to go for the recce. Recce as in like it was a, I would say, भोपाल. भोपाल में अंदर जाकर वो जंगल है, वहां पर शूट करना है. तो the director said कि go there, spend some time, and obviously we'll be there. So 15-20 days if you go prior, you will get the accent, the language over there. So I was very glad, I was excited for it. But फिर वो जब वो 10-15 दिन की बारी आई, director is there, I'm calling them, sir यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं क्या करूँ, because I've given. Then the issues happened, then it didn't work out, then the director came back, then he told me we are pushing it for next month, pushing it for 2 more next months, and then
You got to know you were replaced.
no.
Oh, it
Then
didn't
the
happen.
film happened.
Oh, it didn't happen
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
चलो फिर
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
नहीं हुई.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं,
Do you believe in Nazar?
बुरा लगता है यार, because हाँ यार,
But do you believe in Nazar?
of course मैं नहीं मानता था, but
Nazar लग गई.
बहुत सारी चीजों की यार.
किस मतलब do you tell your industry friends, like if you have any, that these are the things I'm working on, or do you like keep it very guarded?
नहीं, it depends, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत आप डिटेल दे सकते हो, but yes, a lot of people don't say anything about it. In fact, there are people who actually कुछ है नहीं, but वो बोलते हैं. But actually that is the other way, because they think that they're manifesting.
Yeah.
Which I don't think is wrong. Matlab, is their choice. If they feel they let it out to the universe again and again and again, somewhere it will be heard.
Yeah.
So that is also another way of seeing it.
But you keep it guarded.
Yeah. So yes, I do believe in Nazar, and it's better. In fact, my mother also tells me, and my family also tells me that it's better to not to talk about. Friends, obviously, we catch up after a long time. They ask what is next, what's happening, and all. So yeah, I keep myself guarded, and I say कि अच्छा कुछ आ रहा है, and जब हो जाएगा तो बता दूंगा.
Okay.
Or else you will get to know.
Or else you'll get to know. Yeah, exactly. We are there not to ask, to guy and make headlines.
Yeah.
Okay, I have two very like questions that are coming from personal space.
Yes.
Okay, because when people who are non-actors, generally, when they have conversations, they always have these two questions going on in their head. Ek, is it easy to date an actor? And two, are actors usually friends with other actors? Tell me the reality.
Are actors usually friends with other actors?
That's the first question.
See, I will give my personal opinion.
Cool.
I barely have actor friends. Because of the kind of competition and insecurity that every actor has, and because so and I would say all the actors, they are actors.
Yeah.
So they are weird. Everyone is weird.
All
Every
actors
actor is weird. I would say that. And if they say that we are not, then they are lying. Okay, and they are weird in their own way. So you will never, you will have a like-minded like interest, that is films, that is cinema and all. Yeah. But apart from that, your behavior, your personal choices, how you behave, your personality trait are different. So if one person is confident, the other person is shy, and then the other person is shy, then he's like, I'm jealous of him. So everything comes out, and the most important, competition. So yeah, I don't think
did you learn it through experience?
Yeah,
you must
because
have had those.
I have a habit of being friendly with everyone. I'm very friendly, and so if I walk up into an unknown area where there are 50,000 people, for example 100 people, I would be very shy, I would be very introvert. But the others think that I have attitude. I don't speak to anyone. But internally, I am scared like shit. Like shit यार मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे निकलना चाहिए यार, ये वो, तो दारू तो shots मार लेता हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ confidence आएगा किससे बात करने का. Like I'll tell you, there was a party where I was standing behind my back, like back to back ऐसे, मैं ऐसा हूँ खड़ा हूँ और मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ. I could literally hear them talk. It was Rajkumar Irani sir. Obviously big fan and all. एक घंटा मैं खड़ा था वहाँ पर, but I didn't have the guts to turn around and say and introduce myself and all. He was talking to Nawazuddin. So yeah, I was like, it needs a lot of confidence. तो ये मुझ में नहीं है.
So after 1 hour also you didn't. Okay.
तो उसके बाद मुझे किसी ने बुला लिया, फिर मैं वहाँ गया, फिर मैंने शॉट्स मारे, फिर I started dancing like हाँ, relieve yourself.
Now I'm opening up.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's about friendship. Then is it easier to date actors, or is it very difficult?
It's not easy or difficult. It's basically, I would say, the understanding. Okay, and the understanding is very difficult.
But can you date another actor?
Of course.
In general, is it easier to date another actor?
It's easier because the other person respects your profession.
And they understand.
It's very important.
But then don't you fight for like vanity and attention?
No, nothing of that sort. I would say if you like each other, or if you are fond of, if there is love, then you want to see the other person also happy, and the other person should also grow.
Okay, but I have a counter question to this. Like let's say अभी दोस्ती में तो competition आ जाता है ना, and insecurity आ जाती है, तो partners में भी तो आता है?
नहीं आता. Because eventually
then you found the right people.
Yeah.
I'm finding wrong people.
Then I think so, because apparently then it's not love.
Yeah.
Because एक तो आप दोनों साथ में रह रहे हैं और अगर दूसरा अगर अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है तो उसमें गुस्सा आएगा, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगा, और अगर फ्रस्ट्रेशन आया तो वो डिप्रेस्ड होगा, अपसेट होगा. आप कितनी बार मनाओगे? 4 बार मानोगे ये वो, but the energy is being exchanged, right?
Right.
So the one person is sad and you're seeing that person sad, you can't be happy. Or you can't be like, yeah, हो जाएगा. I am so happy now, I'm growing, doesn't matter. Both the people have to grow and both have to support each other. That's why they're together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you a difficult question. Like
अच्छा,
nobody.
ये easy था.
हाँ, ये तो बहुत easy.
Okay.
अभी difficult आएगा. Okay, so let me tell you. Let's say nobody knows Parth Samathaan at all. ठीक है, and you have to introduce yourself through your work to that particular person. What project of yours would you pick because you think you've probably done your best there?
I've probably done my best there.
Yeah, that's why you picked a show that role.
Okay. That is up to the audience. I think what, like I've given my 100% is what I can say to all the characters. What people have connected with or what people thought ke you fit into this is their call. But my personal space, I would say that I preferred that, and I wish more people could watch it, was मैं हीरो बोल रहा हूँ. There's a gangster based show. It was on Z5 and Old Balaji. And yeah, I loved playing that character because it was a character from 90s. And it was a character where a person comes from a small town to Mumbai and he becomes the gangster. And he starts investing money of underworld into Bollywood. So he sees all the chamak dhamak, glamorous world and all. He gets attracted to it, starts dating actresses. Yeah. So it's loosely based on a true character in 90s. Yeah, so from the story is driven from them, inspired from that. And I love playing that. But unfortunately, the Old Balaji had to shut down, and then there was no season 2 happening for the rest of the shows, everything. Because season 2 was about to happen, but didn't happen because the platform itself got shut. So that was very unfortunate. So yeah, that was one show that I felt that it didn't get its due. मुझे लगता है कि उसमें होता.
Fair enough.
So yeah, and any which way, every project has its own destiny.
True.
And you don't know कौन सा कहाँ से चलेगा. मतलब if I have to tell you about कैसी यारियाँ. When it came on MTV, like for example, we're sitting today, tomorrow it's coming. It is nowhere to be heard. There's zero promotion.
Yeah.
There is no college there is no college event. There is no radio event. There is no hoarding. I'm just sitting depressed. यार ये तो ऐसे ही show कर रहे हैं वो. And even MTV had honestly told us कि आपके show से हमें कोई expectation नहीं था. हमने तो बस ऐसे शुरू कर दिया कि चलो एक slot है, कर देते हैं. But then see,
look where
it's destiny.
Yeah.
So you don't know what works, what not works.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. This is also a very common thing, right? Like, there are people in the industry who struggle to have like vanity in place. They want to groom themselves. They want to look a certain way. They work on their fitness, etc. And then there are certain category of men who are presentable because of genes, etc. And I'm not crediting you for your workouts and your hard work also. But then does it become difficult to sort of break through from that chocolate boy image and get roles which are more rugged, like the one that you just spoke of?
Yeah, it is. And I want to explore myself. Yeah. Like even CID, for that matter. Yeah. It is as challenging as it gets, and I'm loving it. I'm loving every day. Because you're standing next to like veteran actors, you're standing because they know their shit, they know their job very well. You have to make sure that you don't give them the reason to complain.
And think of you as just that chocolate boy.
Yeah. Yeah. And plus, you are the boss. It's not even like you're a part of the team that you're just standing, you're just giving up. You're like, no, you have to be into that character where you don't give a fuck about the others and you don't even acknowledge them. Yeah. But internally, you know it's Abhijit and Daya Sir and everything. But yes, you have to stop yourself, keep a shield. Yeah. So it's difficult. So I want such characters to come my way. Yes, romance is not something that I'm bored of, or I would say, nahi yaar, bas ho gaya yaar, I won't expect. If I get a good romantic script, I would love to do it, but unfortunately abhi tak nahi aayi hai. Because people are now into crime space thanks to OTT. They are now into crime space, they are now into murder, this investigation, and
and violence
too absolutely much. Absolutely mass murder, drugs. So yeah,
all the kind of content you like to consume
matlab as in like
to
watch crime.
Yeah. तुमको यही करना है.
हाँ, मुझे मैंने ऐसा होता है ना कि आप इतनी बार ऐसे क्राइम सीरीज देख लेते हो, फिर आप उसमें ना एक बीच में एक मेड इन हेवन देख रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल मेड इन हेवन, और फिर आपको लग रहा है कि ये एपिसोड में अभी मर्डर होगा. यार मर्डर नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज यू सीन सो मच, यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम एवरी शो दैट वही होगा. But obviously, Made in Heaven is a beautiful show. So I'm just giving an example कि ऐसे shows कि अगर आपको लत लग गई ना तो बहुत बुरी होती है.
अच्छा, मुझे बताओ कोई wish list है that you want to be a part of shows that you really feel you'd do a great job in?
Part of shows, UTT, OTT.
हाँ जी. And then you tell me wish list for your movies also.
यार ये तो बहुत
मैं पहले था अभी से difficult question है.
हाँ OTT shows that I would like to be a part of. Family Man, it's a great show.
Yeah.
Patal Lok, fantastic season 2. I saw it. It's fabulously written. And what else?
So I know
अभी
what
तो दो दिमाग
what
में
kind
है.
of actors you like. There's Manoj Bajpayee, and then there is you like Jaideep Alawat. You like their craft.
Correct. But beyond that, I watched the show for its story. If the story, like how I said, Patal Lok season 2, the story
Was different. Yeah.
was very engaging, and it was well written. So I wouldn't have watched if it was dull written, if it was just another show and all. I wouldn't have watched.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't watch it for the actors. I watch it for the entire this thing.
Screenplay, the
Screenplay,
script,
you know.
Okay.
And obviously, if you are making such a good show, they will get good actors. Everyone is good. Everyone has done their job. They know their job, and they do it beautifully.
Right.
So it just adds up. But story has to be there for web series, because you're watching, and then it gets bored. Then there's no point.
Yeah, I feel it's like a more subdued version of a TV show, and like little lesser than a film.
Correct, a bridge between them.
Exactly, between both. When TV goes on and on, film is 3 hours done. This is like probably your 8 to maximum 20.
Yeah.
And then
Basically, it just covers up the entire journey of the character.
Yeah.
Like from the start, how he came into the life, how he was there, or he or she was a kid, what happened in the childhood. Because unfortunately, in films, you don't get the opportunity of showing the character why he is like that, or why she is like that. Yeah. Must be कि बचपन में इसके साथ कुछ हुआ होगा. Must be. But वेब सीरीज में you have like one whole episode कि इसके साथ क्या हुआ था और ये आगे जाके अब क्यों ऐसा है. So the journey has been shown beautifully.
Right.
So yeah, I obviously if I get a chance, I would like to be associated with the shows that I mentioned. और कौन सा show है?
Those is enough.
Movie
बताओ, movie wish list.
Movies wish list I would be associated with. मतलब sequels की बात कर रही है.
No, I say that you probably want to work with this director, or let's say this particular producer.
Yeah, I want to work with all the good directors. To be honest, I want to work with a lot of directors like Neeraj Pandey or Rajkumar Hirani or so many, Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, Karan Johar. So yeah, they're fantastic legends there. They're veterans, and of course they keep coming up with new projects with grandeur sets and everything. It lightens up. So and plus there are so many new directors coming up.
Right.
So I don't think choosing a list, yes, it gives you a light focus.
Sure.
So I don't think choosing a list will help you, because I feel life has, for me, been very unexpected, and I feel for all of us it's very unexpected. Yes, we can reach out to those people, but then it works out or no, that is up to the universe.
Yeah, for sure.
और बहुत कम लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है, I think. मेरे साथ तो इनफैक्ट मैंने जो चाहे वो कभी नहीं हुआ है, और जो भी हुआ है वो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था
कितना हो जाए.
हाँ, वो ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, मैंने तो ये सोचा भी नहीं था. Like CID is a show on television I never thought I could be a part of.
Yeah,
never.
Who would think,
Not even
right?
0.1%.
Yeah.
कि मतलब मैं देख भी रहा हूँ ना, I used to watch as a fan.
Yeah.
As अगर मैं recent times में 5 साल पहले भी as an actor देख लिया होता, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इसमें पार्ट बन सकता, because of the show that we were watching since so long.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm so young. मैं तो relate ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा ऐसे. But yeah, that's life. That's how life is. You never know what's happening next. So I don't want to target myself. So then what happens? You start working and you start expecting a lot out of it.
Yeah.
और अगर वो नहीं हुआ ना, then it breaks your heart. ये भी experience से आया मेरे पास. कि I've expected a lot, मैंने कुछ चाहा है और वो नहीं हुआ. So now I know, work hard, be focused, start meeting people, start meeting 100 directors and see what project picks you up. Yeah. So yeah, I wouldn't say I want to meet only those 5 directors, I want to work with only. Yes, life will be great, absolutely great if you work with them. I'm sure today whoever an outsider has come from outside, they never targeted I want to work with this director.
Right.
They just
came open to working.
They were just open to working. कोई भी काम मिला ले लेंगे. And luckily their work was watched and appreciated, and that's how they got picked up. So yeah.
Okay, lastly, before I let you go, I have to ask you this. Probably there's some particular actor whose journey you've seen and you feel not envious in a bad way, but you feel like, oh, this is great job, great work, and a great arc that they've covered. Who would that actor be?
A lot many. Especially all the I would say all the people who have come from outside the industry,
Yeah.
they have created a benchmark for themselves, and it's not easy. So a guy like Kartik Aaryan, I mean, full respect, and whatever he's achieved and all, it's great, it's
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah.
And however he's achieved, it takes a lot of brain work, hard work, talent, and plus you need to be like, reaching out to people, and obviously destiny is playing a part.
Yeah.
That is also important. So I was given an example by a producer. I can't mention, and he said, X actor who is doing fantastically. Do you think it's because of talent? No. 90% is because of the destiny. My destiny, हार्ड वर्क सब करते हैं,
हाँ.
मेहनत सब करते हैं, ठीक है, और टैलेंट में भी सब में होता है, बट कौन कहाँ पहुंच सकता है, that is up to the destiny. So you don't know what works you then. What you can do, what's in your hands is hard work and obviously reaching out to people, giving your 100% and being there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
On that note, I think I'm going to part ways with you
हो गया
today.
और अब तो मेरी कॉफी बाकी है.
है ना, अब दूसरे इंटरव्यूज में पी
ठीक है,
लेना.
okay.
But thank you so much, Parth, for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
I was
Thank you.
lovely chatting with you
Thank
as
you.
always.
As always.
Maybe next time when you can talk about the films you're working on, I'm going to
Absolutely.
be here again.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you so much for having me, and I had fun talking to you. Yeah.
Always.
We'll catch up
Likewise.
soon.
Done. Thank you so much.